First dates can be quite nerve-wracking, no matter who you are. Say you've been talking for a while and you finally mustered up the courage to ask her out. Days go by and now it's the fateful day. Now what? I always say preparation is key. The first thing I'll do is to prep my face using a face wash from Lab Series, which gets rid of all of the dead skin and it leaves your face feeling really fresh. Now on to tidying up my beard and getting it smooth, soft and shiny. Don't be afraid of that beard serum either. You want it nice and soft, just in case. Now to pop on some moisturizer. Potentially this is the biggest interview in your life, right? So I use this to keep my skin hydrated through the day. Now, they say your eyes are the windows to your soul, so you've got to have a little window dressing. Eye contact on dates is really important, so give those bags a lick of paint. With my hair, I use Beckham's Pomade from House 99. This will last about 7 to 8 hours, and since it's water based it washes out well and gives my barnet some lustre, which I like. Now when you're applying some aftershave, make sure it's something light and fresh. Pushy, not assertive as I say. Something like Noir de Noir by Tom Ford. Once this is done, it's on to your date outfit. At the end of the day, make sure you wear something you feel comfortable in. For me, I like to go simple, but shows that I still made an effort. For example, I'm wearing a printed shirt, a plain white t-shirt, some navy jeans and some Chelsea boots that never go out of style. And don't forget to accessorize. No matter where you've met a girl, whether it's online, through social media, dating apps or what have you, if you want to make a good impression, look for some conversation starters, where she's been travelling or some mutual interests. Perhaps give her profile one last eyeball on your way over. Some may call it semi-stalkerish, but I call it good old-fashioned research. My name is Thompson, a lifestyle blogger from London.